Alright, we got the Stinger Heigh10 and the integration kit for the 2015 Silverado 2500 HD. Real quick, I'll just open this up and I'll show you what we're working with. Alright, so main thing we got is the brain. It's a brain. Monitor and some of the wiring and installation information. So in the integration kit we got right here, we've got more wiring, essentially making this plug and play. Some USB, the integration, brain, beeper, more wiring. Some of it won't be used, some will. This is where the radio goes. The head unit goes right here and it sits in dash. So we'll get started on this and I'll take you along for some of the ride. Alright, so we are going from this to this. 4-inch screen, 10-inch screen. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, so we are over halfway done. Got everything pretty much wired up. I just wanted to point out that there is a lot of wires, but I don't think we should get discouraged because I know they will all fit. Just gotta tidy it up, kind of pull things together, and then kind of stuff it in wherever it fits. So we'll get back to it. So everything's tucked up. You have some room behind here to tuck some of the cords, the longer aux cords that you don't use or that are used that you can just tuck off to the side. Got a little room on this side, and you can flip the integration box upside down instead of right on top. This, the brain, is screwed in and it's ready to go. Alright, so I am all finished wiring it up. I took a little extra time, and I guess maybe it's a little bit of a teaser, but this thing right there, that is the fully integrated rock lights. Those will integrate to the radio, full RGB, so we'll be able to control all the rock lights, through the radio itself. That'll be coming up a little bit later, but as of right now, I'm going to get the screen mounted, get everything put back together, and we should be good to go. Right, so we just finished the Heigh10 installation, finished updating the firmware, and so everything on here now is going to be factory, so I'm going to have to go and reset all my presets and the volume controls from there. But as you can see from right there, we have our RGB control now, so I'll be able to control the rock lights once those are finished installing. And we got to make sure our cameras are set up. So we got our rear camera, our front camera, and we're good to go. So we'll go ahead and go in and check all of our settings, installation settings, clock, display, make any changes that need to be changed. But I must say, that is one good looking display. Alright, so another installation done. Fairly straightforward, easy, follow the directions, should be no problem. Dealing with all the wires, that's another story, but they all fit. They all go where they're supposed to go. You tuck them, you do what you got to do. Firmware has just been updated to give me control of the rock lights. That's going to be coming on a future video that I'll be doing. I'll be walking you through some of that, but that's in the future. Haven't quite gotten to that point yet, but everything else, the display is beautiful. It just looks flawless in the truck. It really brings it out. I like this a lot more than the looks of those T radios. The T radios are just bigger, longer, and they just don't look right to me personally. But to each his own. This is what I like. This, it just looks like it's supposed to be here, and it looks really good. So this is done. I'm gonna mess with some of the functions and settings to get it to what I needed to get it to where I need it to be. But you know, check out Stinger Off-Road. Link in my description below. Also use coupon code VALORE10 at checkout to save 10% off your next order. And again, thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, comments, or if you need anything, please just drop them in the comments below, and I will be happy to help you out. This is not my first installation of this type of unit, so please let me know, and I'll do what I can to help you out. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.